In terms of the Ivan Yates issue, I think there's been a lack of balance, candidly, and perspective in how that issue has been treated. All political parties use media training and consultants from time to time. Fianna Fáil is no different to any other political party in that respect. And indeed, Ivan Yates worked for the party in the European elections and in the general election, would have been on public record in SIPO, would have been as far back as last August in respect of the Europeans, and in January in terms of the general, so no secret there. Also in terms, and I would take issue with some attempts to conflate the fact that he worked 4 hours with Jim Gavin and subsequent remarks he made in respect to the presidential that had nothing to do with Fianna Fáil and nothing to do with us, and we wouldn't approve of, or wouldn't agree with. But there's been an attempt to conflate the two, which I think is not accurate and is wrong also. The intersection between politics, media, polling companies, pundits, commentators is a very fluid one, an interesting one. And I don't think it's just about one individual.